Welcome back. Today's topic is very important, lalo na sa mga first-time senders. Hi Angie, let's get started.
Yes, Leo. Kasi ang tanong ng marami, paano ko ba malalaman kung legit ang Balikbayan Cargo Company?
Choosing the right Balikbayan Cargo Company is one of the most important decisions sa buong process.
Tama, kasi kahit maayos kang mag-pack, kung mali ang napili mong company, doon nagsisimula ang problema.
Unang dapat tingnan, gaano nakatagal ang company sa negosyo.
Usually, mas safe yung companies na matagal na sa industry dahil alam na nila ang process from pickup hanggang delivery.
Check kung registered ang company and may proper permits. Importanteng malinaw kung door-to-door ba talaga ang service.
Kung hindi malinaw ang address, contact number, or office location, red flag na yan.
Ask about total cost and estimated delivery time.
Yes, itanong kung kasama na ba ang customs clearance at final delivery sa Pilipinas. Kung sobrang mura pero walang malinaw na explanation, magduda ka na.
Reliable companies communicate clearly.
Kung mahirap silang makontak bago ka pa magpadala, mas mahirap yan after pickup. Lalo na yung guaranteed mabilis, walang ganun sa shipping.
Some red flags include no written receipt, cash-only payments, and unrealistic promises. Remember, hindi lang box ang pinapadala mo, tiwala at pagmamahal din.
Kaya choose wisely. Mas mahalaga ang peace of mind kaysa sa konting matitipid.
If may experience ka, good or bad, share mo sa comments.
Your story can help others choose the right company.
This is Balikbayan Hub, your trusted guide in every step.
Like, subscribe, and share sa kapwa Pilipino abroad.